On today's Bellwork, we are going to go over multiplying and dividing with fractions again. On multiplying fractions, you just go straight across the numerator times numerator. So 1 times 1 is 2. 8 times 3 is 24. These numbers are both even, so I could divide them both by 2, which would then make 1. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So my final answer would be 1/12. Can go underneath and do the other multiplication problem. Again, we just go straight across, numerator times numerator. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 7 is 35. 12 and 35 don't have anything in common, so that would be my final answer. Okay, now dividing. On dividing, we really don't divide. We are going to keep the first fraction. I'm going to change the divide to be multiply, and then I am going to flip the second fraction upside down. Okay, so the 2 would come on top, the 1 would go on bottom. Then I can scratch out this fraction. Now that I've made a multiply problem, I can just go straight across with my flipped fraction. So 7 times 2 is 14. 9 times 1 is 9. This is an improper fraction, so what I could do to simplify is divide 9 into 14. 9 is only enough to go one time. Then when I subtract, the leftovers are 5. So now I'm going to take this 5 and I'm going to put it up as the numerator, and my denominator always stays the same once I get it, so 9 is going to continue to stay. My final answer, the most simplified answer, would be 1 5/9. The improper fraction answer would be 14/9. Okay, so one more time, dividing fractions, you don't really divide. We are going to change it to be a multiply question. In order to change that, you keep the first fraction and you flip the second one upside down. We're doing the opposite. So the 5 goes to the top and the 4 goes to the bottom. Then I can scratch out this fraction. Now that I've made a multiply problem, multiply is just go straight across. Numerator times numerator. 1 times 5 is 5. 6 times 4 is 24. 5 and 24 don't have anything in common, so that would be my final answer.